Cape Town. Woo!
I was gonna run.
We've landed in Cape Town.
Hey everyone, today my adventure begins as I head to one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Cape Town, South Africa. And guess what? I'm doing it in style, starting with a luxurious Kenya Airways business class flight. Let's go! Flying with Kenya Airways is always pure luxury. The seats are so comfortable, the food is amazing, and the views absolutely breathtaking. Look at this, we are flying over Tanzania, and there it is, Mount Kilimanjaro. It's Africa's tallest mountain at 5,895 meters, and yes, that's snow that you're seeing near the equator. How cool is that? We've just touched down in Johannesburg, and now I'm hopping onto a local charter plane for the final leg to Cape Town. The excitement is real. Cape Town, here I come.
We've landed in Cape Town.
Good morning, Cape Town. Day 2 is here, and today I'm starting it with a bang. A helicopter ride over the city. Wow, just look at this view. We are soaring above Cape Town, and our first view is the Robben Island. The World Heritage Site is where Nelson Mandela spent 18 of his 27 years in prison. It's such a powerful reminder of South Africa's journey to freedom. And there it is, the iconic Cape Town Stadium. Built for the 2010 FIFA World Cup, This architectural marvel hosted some of the most exciting matches of the tournament. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of Cape Town, the Table Mountain. This flat-topped mountain is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. And see those peaks next to it? Those are the 12 apostles, part of the mountain range that stretches along the coast. Down below is Camps Bay, a stunning beachfront neighborhood with white sand and crystal clear water. It's the perfect spot to relax after an adventure like this. And speaking of adventure, check this out. Our pilot is actually doing a flip-flop turn. This is insane and so much fun. This has been an absolutely incredible experience, one I'll never forget. What a way to end the day. And that's a wrap for today's adventure. Cape Town, you've been amazing. But guess what? I've got more exciting activities coming up, so make sure to tune in. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring. See you soon.